Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hey, I am Shakay. I do vlogs, lifestyle, beauty videos. So if you're interested, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the bell so you're notified every time I make a video. So guys, today, as you guys see from the title or the thumbnail, we are going to Margaritaville. This is pretty much my first time going there to to stay or to do something. We normally just go there to just pass through and to look, but today we're actually gonna go there to go to the beach and the pool and just experience what Margaritaville has to offer. So I'm taking you guys along, so I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Don't forget to subscribe and again hit the notification bell and so on. Like this video, comment down below, share with your friends and so on. So yes guys, let's get into the video. Bye. Hi Ching. Hi Abby. Hi Mom. Oops, vlog not like you again. Nope. Hi Taylor. Hi. How's you doing? I'm good now. Awesome. We're not talk to Tovia and Shani. Then go take pretty picture and a camera. The ugly girl there. But anyways guys, we are at Margaritaville and we are waiting to go in. Can you imagine the place for 11 o'clock and you have to lock early. Anyways, bye. I don't like people look at me when
you can take some picture of time.
Nobody know. Oh yes.
Woo. But I really not talk to me. Yeah. You're not coming there.
You don't see yourself?
I don't know why she have it without me. She knows my off in the camera.
Hi guys.
Below, you know, it's up, you know.
No idiot.
It's a mask over there.
Below, you know.
Hi. Hi. Say hi to the camera.
Long time ago, you know.
Everybody here, yeah, come to them. I have to pure.
Eh? Yeah, come here.
You didn't see yourself already? Get in there. Hi.
Right here.
Right there.
Right there. Over there.
Alright, so right here. Alright.
I'm sitting now. Nice.
Bye. Carry on. I got about this one. Carry some here. I know I'm we know it. Oh. Come on, I'm vlog you want it. You don't want it everywhere.
This man on the planet.
This is fisherman.
You mean the stickers?
Hi.
Yes. We were vanished from the
Yes, we were vanished. So you didn't see us. You know the good car. First of all, I mean, if you have any more than me in the camera, no, we weren't. Everybody if it was on me.
Okay then. Anyways, guys, bye. I don't know about y'all, but I wanna look at this boy. Done with you. We're done with you.
Alright guys, we're getting ready to go. That's what I'm gonna vlog the scenery, but like I look really good right now. It's almost time to go, guys. There's Shakay.
Hey guys, so I'm back home. I'm just covering up with this blanket. So we're back home. I didn't vlog a lot because it's water, and even though I know this phone is waterproof, I'm gonna risk my phone because it's not cheap. I'm gonna have money for pay feed, so I'm not like those rich YouTubers that can, you know, risk their phones. I can't. I need a GoPro so I can vlog in water. I'm gonna save on that one. All right, so pretty much I forgot to I went down this slide thing, and it has been like a hot minute. I've been one of those, so I should have vlogged me going down there, but I was so nervous. I was very nervous, and when I went down there once, I did not want to go again. Well, I wanted to go again, but it was kind of terrifying because I'm dropping in 8 feet water. Even though I have on the life jacket, it just felt, I don't know. But yeah, I didn't go again, so I didn't vlog it, and I forgot to vlog it the first time. So yeah. Anyways, so that's a loss. But hope you guys enjoy the vlog nonetheless, and I thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you have not as yet. Click the notification bell. Like this video, share this video, comment down below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.